Hi guys, so today I'm at the peak of Beverly Hills, one of the peaks, there are so many, and I'm shooting the exterior of this house. I was here 2 days ago to shoot it, but look at the views. Oh my god, I'm scared walking down this path. It's still super like smoggy. I swear there's like a layer of pollution here that just looks terrible. But yeah, anyways, so I'm shooting that house and I'm here for Twilight as well. And it's gonna be a nice shoot. I actually just learned drone this morning, and I've flown it twice already. One before the first shoot and one for a shoot just now. I'm gonna get the Mavic 2 Pro soon, but I have the mini one, and yeah, it's currently 7 o'clock. When I came here, the lighting was better on the house, but it's the views that sell this house. So right now, last time my client was like, downtown looks like Gotham City, which it kind of does in a really cool way. It's cleared out a bit better. You can't see the ocean, but it's really nice and it's insane. Some of the houses here, they look like crazy. I don't know if you guys can see that. Wait, where is it? Where am I looking? The sign, next to the sign. There. That house. Insane. Okay, so I need to get started on these shots. So I'm gonna film myself really soon now. Okay, so the first shot I'm gonna do here is just kind of a shot of the front area. You can't really see the views from here, but it really looks super relaxing at this time of day, so I want to capture that. I'm the worst at these tripods. Like, I don't even know. How's that height? Comment below if I'm the only one like this. Okay, I think it has to be a little bit higher, but I'm just gonna try that for now. Okay. I honestly kind of like it from here. Too bad the gate's in the way. I'm gonna pass the gate. What would look really nice here is also vertical. Just cutting a bit. If only... Yeah, there are a lot of leaves on this ground, but I like it. If the flowers will still be alive on the ground, it will look so nice. But yeah, actually, honestly, I didn't pull out my sun app, but I kind of like it. I'm digging it. What I'm not a fan of is this over here, so I'm trying to hide that. Yeah, it's kind of hard to hide. I'm going to shoot now a photo trying to cut that landscape and then just showing more of the scenic view, just kind of like off-centered, but I think that's going to be a better look. Ideally, I didn't have this tree and all these poles. I've heard that you can just like pay a crap ton of money and get these power lines removed. And put underground. I didn't know that was. So this is also part of the house. There's like this little area here with a fountain that I think I can capture both at the same time. But I'm just gonna capture this view just in case. Looks a tiny bit better. But other than that, we're probably gonna go down. Yeah, I tried my best there. It's an interesting shot to capture. I'm gonna try with the drone. My cute, oh, my phone's up there, mini, which I can easily launch here. I was trying earlier on the grass, but time to set this up. I have my mini cute drone over here. I realized, well, I'm gonna jinx myself. I realized I'm really good at handling equipment. Oh my god, there's so many bloody birds here. I'm gonna be bloody terrified. Okay, I have a Mark II and it's lasted me 10 years, so, without breaking. So, I think I'm kind of lucky, but let's see. Yeah, let's see how it goes. Of all places in the world to fly a drone. Well, other than the super nature scenic places for residential, this area would be the coolest. Imagine if I got a shutdown request from one of these homeowners. Anyway, time to try. Oh my god, I'm actually scared. Okay. Let's go. Oh my god, you guys have no idea. I just did this shot. Let me see if I can rotate my phone. I just did this shot and my heart was beating out of my chest because there were power lines everywhere and trees, and you see, to get this shot, it's a full canyon. I can't even speak right now. I really wanted to film for you guys, but I knew that I had to be so concentrated for this. But I'm kind of proud of myself. Obviously, it's not the best day time to film, probably the worst, but I wanted to push myself so badly to do it. I feel like I'm one of the first people who's one of their first like drone shots is like a multi-million-dollar mansion in Beverly Hills. Like, that's hilarious. But yeah, if this was during the day, that would look so nice. Honestly, pretty surprised by the Mavic Mini, the mini stuff. Oh, and also there were blackbirds like going all around. I was wondering what the house looked like from the other angle, but I think this is the main angle because you see all the stairs leading up and everything. And so time now is 7:30. I'm gonna start turning on all the lights in that house. The other house doesn't have electricity, so I think this is the main shot. Anyway, it's gonna be kind of dark. Now that I'm thinking about it, it's gonna be kind of dark because this angle you can't see the view, obviously. So I'm gonna have to play around for twilights, but definitely. And there's also not gonna be that many lights in the back because it's so few homes there. It's just, oh my god, I'm still shaking. Holy crap. Oh, I'm in Beverly Crest. You know how like the phone has the location thing, and I'm like, oh, I'm in Beverly Crest. I'm looking at some of the other houses. They're really nice, just some in construction, but I'm going to start turning on all the lights. Yeah, if this house was fully constructed with lights and everything, it would just be so amazing to get a twilight drone of that. Especially if I had a Mavic 2 Pro, it's better at low light and everything. Plus, I'm kind of proud of myself. I didn't even have sensors. I was just like, it was freaky. Okay, so I'm gonna turn on the lights in that house right now and start preparing for twilight, which is in half an hour. But you have to figure out how to get in. So that's it. Okay, so it's starting to look pretty good. The bottom lights look actually really nice with the arches for driving. There's two other lights on top that the thing about Beverly Hills is like it's the most expensive place on earth, one of the, and the internet is out. I'm trying to text my client how to turn on the other two. As you can see under there. Aww. Sucks. I thought I had time to read a book and everything, but I think I still have the adrenaline from the drone. Maybe it's time for me to spy on other people's houses now. They're like humongous. The normal street is like, I say normal as if it's like cheap. These are all like 5 million minimum over here. Yeah, some were insane. I guess I have time. Do you guys want to see like some of the crazy let me show you guys. Okay, so a tour while waiting for twilight. Okay, so first we have this house right across. It looks, oh my god, there's a tennis court and everything. Holy crap. Wow. It looks insane. I'm showing you the house. Okay, so right there. So that's a crazy house. And whoa, look at all the houses up there. You can't even really see them. It's like, ooh, I don't even know how to get the focus of it. It's like really in the smoke. This house is probably in the smoke. Okay, and then I guess that's the view, but there's another really cool house over there. That one has a pool and everything. And that, look at that. Wow, it's a really old style house. Look at these 2 lots of land. I think they probably are to be sold or something. But honestly, not really built up. Oh, you can see a bit of downtown now. And wow, I think all of this, I was gonna say landscape, what is it called? Mountainside has all gone away, I think because of the fires. Yeah, look at down there. It's really just so patchy. So I think soon I'm gonna do twilight drone of this house because yeah, the drone doesn't work so well in low light. And then I'm gonna start shooting. Yeah, sun is setting. Let's see. Yeah, in 20 minutes. I mean, there aren't that many exteriors I could get, honestly. I'm trying to think if I've missed any shots. But, oh well, I'm gonna get some drone and then think about photo in a sec. I'm just out of breath. Not out of breath, but like exhilarated. I don't know. I've been working like 3 jobs nonstop, which to some of you guys might be like, oh, that's cute. But I spend a decent amount of time at these houses and try to shoot more like interior design photos because that's what my clients want. And if I had a broom, I would clean up some of these leaves, but gotta get started. Yeah, it's exactly like the sunset time. And the house is actually shining now, so it's time to get started. Well, some of the lights back there have lit up. The lights have lit up. Is that even correct? It's gonna look good. It's gonna look really good in the end. I shot a vertical last time. Was my hand in the shot? I was like, ooh. No hand. It looked kind of good. Let me see how it looks. Easy. I don't know what's the deal here. These shots, even though I can't see the main house or the views, the main shot is just to show how immersed in the landscape it is, like intertwined. Like obviously I'm gonna cut out this house, it just looks like this area doesn't exist, but this house and those views, and it just feels so peaceful. Even though there's like helicopters about them, that was like, no, I haven't really seen anyone walk past. And it's just the serenity of this area, and that's kind of what I want to capture with these twilights. I even kind of like that the hillside isn't light up, because it shows there's like no one living there. It's so quiet, and I feel like that's the main thing I'm trying to bring across. So yeah, I think I only have like 5-10 minutes. The city is slowly starting to light up, but the haze is getting really bad. I'm packing everything now, and it's gonna be so dark soon, especially in this Beverly Hills area. There aren't any street lights, there's just only lights from the houses, and a lot of the people don't live here, so a lot of they're being constructed, so I just feel like I got my shots, and I just want to go before it gets late, because these mountain roads are really hilly, and something's telling me that I should pack up and just go home. And I'm pretty happy, did the best that I can at this house. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. It's really random, and I didn't even film the interiors. That's it, end of the vlog. Comment down below if you want to see anything else. I could do a bunch of these, but I'm kind of shy in front of my clients, and today's a Saturday night, so I have the home to myself, and I was able to, and it's just exteriors, so the client didn't need to come. I'm gonna pack up now, and go home. So bye guys.